Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to do an unboxing with Tonic Studios craft kit. This is box number 75. And so let's see what we got here. Right. So let me take all this stuff out. I love getting these kits. Now I don't do it monthly. I know there's like a monthly subscription. Like I had mentioned in a prior video, there's a quarterly subscription, or you could do the one-off purchase, which that's what I did here. Because sometimes I might not be into that kit, so I prefer to do the one-off purchase. Okay, so let's see here. Usually they'll have like a description. Oh, here it is. Looks like it's inside here. Okay, this is the Apothecary box. This is the kit right here. Really pretty. Yeah, it's kit 75. And it has a description, a list of all the items that are in the box. And this was a project that I fell in love with. It reminds me of those dressers that you would see at Hobby Lobby. And I thought it would make a really cute dresser that I could put like embellishments in. And it could be for any theme. You can make a sewing theme one with just beads, or an office type one. So many ideas with this one, and I just love it. And so again, this is the description of all the items you get. Okay, so I'll leave this here. I'll put it right here so I can go through the stuff that I got here. Okay, so looks like you get a file folder, which I'm excited for. Comes with this cute little file folder that you could store these little folders that the dies come in. So it just fits right inside. Okay, so this is the die set. And looks like you also get a stamp set. And you also get the sticker. So the Apothecary's box you could go like right here in the front. So when you're going through your little folder here, you know exactly which die this is. Okay, cute. Okay, so this is the stamp you get. Really pretty stamp set. And then these are the dies. One side comes with the instructions of how to put it together. And so there's those dies. And then this side is the other set of dies. Really cool. And then again, it comes with this stamp set. So I'm excited for that. So let's actually put it in here, so it keeps it all nice and organized. Really cute. Okay, so there's that. You get a 6x6 mirror card collection paper pad. Looks like you get the ruby red, the Inca gold, glossy black, and holo waves. Really nice. So let's see what that looks like. See if I usually have a blade. Here, get my blade. You could see what the mirror card looks like. You shouldn't do it that way. So the mirror card is really beautiful. It's really pretty paper. And I love how thick it is as well. It's really nice quality. And they sell it in so many different colors. Okay, so here it is. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Really pretty. So there's that. You also get a aqua shimmer in the Sunlight Sienna color. It's pretty. And I love this. This is a fun bag. Looks like you get a adhesive tape runner. It's the dotted blue tape. It's a little mini one. And then you get the Nuvo Vintage Drop. Let's see what colors that. It's got really pretty. It's a warm blue. You either get the Earl Grey or the warm blue color. And I got the Earl Grey. Yeah. Really pretty. Or is this the blue? I tell you, even with my glasses on, I have a hard time seeing. Oh, it says navy. Wait, hold on. This is a different color. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Worn navy. Okay. Here it said worn blue on the paper. It said worn blue, but it says worn navy on this. So, really pretty. And then you get this embellishment mousse in the aqua red. Let's see, this should be really pretty. Oh, well, that's sealed. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. That's exciting. So you get that. And then the last thing you get is the paper. So let's see what that looks like. Wow, look at that. So looks like the colors that you get are, I don't even know which one is which. But they're so pretty. Look at that. Oh, that one's pretty. I think that one is Misty Gray. And this looks like the Maroon Red. This is the Flanders Blue. Red Velvet. The Opera Red. I don't know all the names of the papers, but they're so pretty. So yeah, so that is the Apothecary Box Kit 75. And it always comes in this nice little file, which is nice. So yeah, so check out Tonic Studios. I always love their stuff. And you can make this cute box. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.